Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to hide your followers in Instagram. And don't worry, it is such an easy task to do. And first of all, what we need to do is head over to our Instagram app, of course. And then, now that we are here on your Instagram app, what you only need to do now is head over to the bottom right of your screen and click on your profile picture, which will then teleport you. Yes, it will teleport you to your profile redirect, and then now you click on the triple lines on the top right corner of the screen and click on settings and then click on privacy. What you need to do is just set your accounts private. As you can see here, my account is already set private, and what making your account private does is that it will not show your followers to anyone else but you. Maybe it does still have the account, but they will no longer be able to check who are the specific followers following you. They won't be able to identify these people anymore because they can't check it unless they follow you, which you need to give them an approval for. And that is how you hide your followers in Instagram. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.